Today is an exciting day. You are going to learn about a brand new kind of writing. You learned about information writing before, but starting today, you will learn a whole new kind of information writing. In this unit, you will learn to write in a way that scientists write. Let's think about what that means for a moment. Take the person who invented jelly beans. What kind of writing do you think she needed to do? Right now, in your mind, picture a team of scientists at work. Thumbs up when you have an image in your head. Now, tell us what you imagine those scientists doing and tell us what kind of writing they need to do. Did you say that scientists write to plan, to record what happened, and write to teach? And the important thing about this is not just that they write plans or write what happened. The important thing is that they are writing to learn more about things in the world. One way scientists collect information is to create experiments, to try things out and see how they go. Today, we are going to do that in workshop time. When scientists conduct experiments to learn about the world, they have a certain way they usually write. They use a lab report format. They record what they expect to happen in an experiment, and they record what they actually do in the experiment. Then they record how things go and what they learned. Will the little car go farther off the ramp on carpet or on bare floor? First, you will record what you expect to happen in the experiment. This is called a hypothesis. Then you will record what you actually do in the experiment. This is called a procedure. And last, you will record how things went under your observations and what you learned from your own experiment. So, will this little car go farther off the ramp on carpet or on bare floor? That is the question we need to figure out scientifically. I'm asking whether the differences in the surface, the bare floor versus the carpet, makes a difference in how far the car goes, and if so, exactly how much difference. When you write a hypothesis, you are writing the answer you expect to see based on all that you know. You may want to begin writing your hypothesis like this: I think, or my hypothesis is. The next thing scientists think about after identifying a problem and making a hypothesis is, how can we test this? Scientists think about the procedure they will follow to test the question. Soon, you will need to set up your ramp on an incline and find something to measure the distance the car traveled once it has left the ramp. Now you are ready to test. Record your results for when the car was on the carpet and when the car was on the bare floor. Scientists try their experiments several times to make sure they have consistent results. Scientists always include the unit of measurement. 57 miles would be very different than 57 centimeters. If you don't have a ruler at home, be creative. You can measure the distance in pencils or something else you have at home. As you begin your procedure, don't forget you should also be writing down your observations. Scientists want to learn by experimenting. They go through a process that involves thinking and talking and doing, and then some writing. Don't forget to write. Make sure you have all the parts: a question, a hypothesis, a procedure, some results, and a conclusion.